Good morning. I just finished making coffee that, yes, I'm drinking with a straw. I laughed so hard at that comment. One of my moving vlogs, I had just moved in, so I didn't know where my straws were. It says drinking my coffee without a straw. Yeah, I always drink coffee with my glass straws. They're from Amazon. I will link them down below. So I just finished making breakfast. I'm trying harder to make breakfast every morning. So I have a bagel, 2 eggs, and some blueberries. I'm really excited to dive in. So I just finished eating my breakfast, which was so delicious, and I finished planning out what I want to do today. So I am gonna finish getting ready now. I took a shower already, so my hair is kind of air drying while I just finished breakfast, and then I'm gonna move on with my day. I just got home from work and I really liked my outfit today, so I wanted to show you a little outfit of the day. See my vlog camera in the back of the mirror. I was feeling a little bit tired of my wardrobe, and I recently got a few new pieces, so I'm really liking my outfit. Since it's the end of the day now, my hair has kind of fallen out of its curls a little bit. You can still see it had a curl to it. So my whole outfit is from Dynamite. So this kind of turtleneck purple shirt, it's really nice because you can wear it in a more professional setting, especially under like a blazer or something. My workplace is a little bit more casual, so I can wear like form-fitting clothes like this, but you can also wear this like more casually with like jeans. This is a purple top from Dynamite, and then this skirt is also from Dynamite. I absolutely love it because the white I think is just so cool and really draws in your waist, and I love the whole midi length. It's so cute. So you can tell it actually has like black pinstripes on it, and then the white details that kind of go down the sides, and then there's a slit in the back. I'm just wearing it with black tights and then these like black suede booties that I got from Guess a while back. And then just kind of my typical jewelry. This is a Michael Kors watch. I wear this necklace pretty much every day. It is from Swarovski, and then just little stud earrings as well. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, but I really liked my outfit today and wanted to share. My apartment is a mess right now because I feel like I have been in a whirlwind, like just trying to get everything together. My dad is actually coming by tonight to help me finish with my TV mount, because when he was here the other day, we realized that the screws weren't long enough to attach to the TV, so it's gonna bring some additional hardware to help mount my TV, which I'm really excited about. It's a little bit tricky because the wall that we're mounting it on is cement, so we're not gonna be able to like feed the wire through or anything like that, but I'm still excited to mount my TV. And then this white unit I'm actually selling. I posted it on Facebook Marketplace last night, and I already have like literally 35 messages about it, so someone is gonna come pick it up tonight. 3 gray baskets are mine that I'm gonna take out, but the unit itself I'm getting rid of, and I want to get something longer for underneath my TVs, because since I know that I want to get something new, I just kind of want to get rid of it, not have to deal with it, and then when I find something new, I can just set it up and not have to worry about getting rid of this first. Well, it's been 15 minutes since I just talked to you, and I just made 40 bucks selling my shelf. And my building has like these trolleys, so I just went downstairs, grabbed a trolley, put the shelf on it, wheeled it downstairs, waited in the lobby for like, I don't know, 5 minutes while she said she was gonna be here, and then this sweet little old woman came in her van and picked it up and gave me 40 bucks. So that was easy. I literally posted it last night at like 1:30 a.m. and I've had so many messages. Like, these IKEA pieces go so quickly on either Letgo or Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is where I've been having more luck lately, but I posted it on both Letgo and Facebook, and Facebook I got at least 30 plus messages, and then Letgo I had 2 since 1:30 a.m. last night, and it is now 5:30. So that is crazy. What is that, like 18 hours or something? Like, crazy. Those pieces go so fast. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to show this, but I realized that it is reality, and I am going to stay true to myself and show you really what's up. So I wanted to show you that I'm having breakfast for dinner. I made 2 eggs tossed over and 2 pieces of toast and I'll probably have a snack later, but I wanted something warm, comforting, and quick. So that's what's up. I'm having breakfast for dinner. Yay, it's official! My TV is on the wall. My dad just left, he finished putting it up, which is so nice and I'm so grateful. It was a little bit difficult because, or a lot of bit difficult because that wall is cement. Which is why we couldn't put the cable through the wall. The original plan was when we did renovations on this place that we were going to put a socket behind, like an outlet, sorry, behind the TV so that you wouldn't see any of the cables. But that wall is cement, so you can't drill into it. So you see the wire, but there's different ways that I can cover it. For now, I just kind of taped it really tight underneath the TV, and I still have enough wiggle room so that I can still slant it because the mount is like one that you can pull away from the wall. Let me push this back. Okay, I can't do it with one hand, but anyways, the TV is on the wall. I'm so happy. It looks so good. I'm so happy from my view. Such an upgrade, and this smart TV is amazing. Dinner is served in front of the new TV with Christy Vetter.
So I'm staying with Rachel again, and here she is editing, but she's also blocking out the haters.
Hey, I'm just coming on here to wrap up this vlog. I know this one is a little bit short. So I have been vlogging every day, but I just have been kind of bottlenecked on editing them. So this is editing Rachel right now, getting this vlog up for you. Thank you for your patience because the vlogs are coming. They are. I'm just trying to get them out. So there still will be the 12 episodes of Vlogmas, and I will get them out before Christmas. What's happening to my voice? But I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys in my next vlog. Bye!